Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has identified NIO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.18. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.06%. This equates to an average return of 2.02% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately negative 16.69% over the upcoming 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 44.67% to negative 9.46%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis predicts an approximate negative 11.42% change. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may fluctuate between negative 35.46% and positive 41.03% over the next year. In current figures, this would place the future price between $2.71 and $5.92. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock price up more than 5.79% on Monday. The NIO stock price gained 5.79% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, rising from $3.97 to $4.20. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be intriguing to see whether it manages to continue this upward trend or take a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.28%, with a day low at $4.09 and a day high of $4.27. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, showing a decrease of 2.55% over this period. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 20 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 42 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $178.49 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.71, and the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price is 45.53%, or $3.51, below the 52-week high, and 93.73%, or $62.79, below the all-time high on January 11, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. NIO stock has recently gained traction alongside other major Chinese stocks, spurred by a significant increase of 3% in Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index, which has now recovered all its losses since Liberation Day. Currently trading around $3.98, NIO shares are under pressure due to tariff-induced market volatility. However, projections target a rebound to $5. Especially with the upcoming launch of its Firefly model in Europe, investors are increasingly eyeing NIO, particularly as its stock trades below its initial public offering price of $6.26, originally set in 2018. This has raised discussions about whether now might be the time to buy, despite the inherent risks associated with lower-priced stocks, which can attract both optimism and skepticism. In April, NIO reported a notable 53% year-over-year increase in deliveries. This robust growth in vehicle sales could be a critical factor in driving investor sentiment and potentially improving earnings. Collectively, these developments suggest that NIO may experience heightened investor attention in the short term, while longer-term prospects will hinge on successful product rollouts and overall market conditions. In summary, the landscape for NIO looks to be shifting positively, influenced by both market dynamics and promising growth indicators. This could lead to a correction in its stock price upwards as confidence builds in its future performance. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities rated NIO as neutral with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On the same day, it was reported that Macquarie rated NIO as outperform with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup again gave NIO a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts give this stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $3.99 and $3.83. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, and to date, it has decreased by 2.55%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal, observed 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 44 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, identified 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, also indicated 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, recognized 10 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, recorded 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, detected 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, noted 28 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.98 and $3.93. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this scenario, NIO finds support just below today's level at $3.98. If this level is breached, then the next support for an accumulated volume will be at $3.93 and $3.75. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a robust trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock oscillated between a high and a low, moving 17.5 cents, or 4.28%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 3.15%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This crucial metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through tough periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 22 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.44. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.98. If this support level holds, it could be an excellent entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO, based on various analyst sources, is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.02, reflecting a decrease of 4.27%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 10 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we believe the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. Our analysis has been upgraded since the last evaluation, moving from a hold or accumulate rating to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of May, we anticipate NIO to open lower by 1.5 cents and begin trading at $4.19. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.